Hey guys, Chad here with the Donnelly Ford. And I'm not sure about you guys, but I am a firm believer that great things come in short packages. And what I'm here to show you is exactly that. It's a 2022 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. So this thing is all ready for off-roading. The one thing I like to point out is underneath the front, it does have a skid plate. Helps protect the bottom of the vehicle from getting scraped up when you're going off-roading. Also has a locking differential, which helps increase the turning radius on the vehicle if you're in tight situations off-road. Another thing I really like, has a nice little steps to get into the vehicle. Coming around back, also has this awesome step here. Push it down. Speaking of short things, if you're like me and you need help getting into the back of pickup trucks, you can use this step. And this handle also lays down. You just have to loosen it. In the back of the bed, you have 4 tie down points at each corner of the bed. You also have a 120 volt hookup. So this thing is a very capable truck. Also, the color on it, one of my favorites. Even though it's kind of overcast right now, when it's out in the sun, it really pops. One of the first things that people say when they look at this truck is they love the color, and I do have to agree with them. So speaking of being a fully capable truck, the inside of this truck has plenty of things as well. One of the things I personally like the most, and I think Nissan really kind of looked into the future with this, is the size of the wireless charging pad. You can see by my hand, this thing is huge. As we all know, phone sizes keep increasing, so this is going to fit phones for years to come. The vehicle also has heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Also comes with 4-wheel drive. And it being the Pro-4X package, you have all these really cool orange stitching, these orange accents, and these inside grab handles for when you're actually using it for off-roading purposes. Also comes with a built-in navigation and is Bluetooth capable, and comes with Sirius XM radio. You just have to obviously have the subscription for it. Next thing we'll talk about in the back of the truck is the legroom all this vehicle has for still being a mid-size pickup truck. So I know we made a point of it multiple times in this video. I'm not the tallest person in the world, but as you can see, still have a ton of legroom back here. So this is going to fit people way taller than me as well, and it's going to have a lot of room to lay out. Also, middle seat does come down, and you do have cup holders. Next thing I want to show you is I'm going to have to hop out to show you. One of my favorite features is the under seat storage. See this huge compartment? You can put your stuff down in there, and then you can close the seat right on top of it to make sure everything stays secure and safely sound. So if this video has you fully hooked on this truck, or you're interested in any other vehicle we may possibly have, feel free to stop in, visit me, visit one of our other 5 salespeople, and discover the Donnelly difference.